Like how to add number with text with space or without space. So we need to use this formula. Like in this column we have text and in this column we have number. We will combine both. So using this formula equal, select this first and now select this second one and press enter. So without space you can add text and number. You can combine and merge. If you need the space between text and number, so equal, select it and now quotation mark space quotation mark and this sorry, you need here again, and now select this big cell and press enter. Now drag and drop it. Thanks for watching.